I'm worrying about that. No one is speaking to me. Everybody are neglecting me. So I don't know what is how to live in the city. That's what I am going to neglect every people. I am going for a separate place. I need one separate place where I can food and shelter and everything, where there is no people over there. I need one place like that in the sense. Why do we feel like that? Why do we feel guilt about the people are not responding my views? The people are not speaking to me. Why I feel guilt regarding that? What should I do to make the people to speak with me? I'm telling you, you don't have any tool to make anyone to do something. You don't have any tool. You can say that you have this skill, you have that skill, but you can make the people to do something when they need the same. Then only you can do it, or else you can't do anything with the people. It's the truth. If they really need money in the sense, they will come. You can make the people to come for the work for the money. If they don't need in the sense, why they are coming for your work? This is a simple thing. This is a simple logic. The same thing. If the people need you, they will come to you. They will ask regarding their needs. If you can bring it to them in the sense, they will be with you, or else they will go somewhere else. So whenever the people will come or go, whenever the people will get floating in your life in the sense, no need to worry about those things. When we start to worry about the people not speaking about us, not speaking to us in the sense, we are emotionally depending on the people, on them. We can easily understand. Our mind wants to speak one person in the sense, to speak one person, and mind wants to make one person to speak with me in the sense, I am emotionally depending on them. That is what. It is a very casual thing, having the relationship and worrying about. I am not talking about those are all the things who are in the relationship and worrying about not talking with the people. This is quite real thing. But I am just wanna cross those are all the borders. Why I am always expecting the people to speak me. That is what I am talking about. Because I wanna make myself quite clear. So if you really need in the sense, if you really need the people to speak with you in the sense, you are mentally depending on them. That is a real thing. So how to overcome it? Is it right or not in the sense? You are depending on the people for the purpose, and with a mutual purpose you are depending each other in the sense. That is a good, that is a life, that is a world. But you are depending one man. You are depending just because of getting the benefits. Just because of they are speaking to us, just because of acknowledging them, acknowledging yourself, just because of that you are depending on person without giving any benefit in the sense that we need to be more concerned. We need to be with a more concern over there. So what to do? How to neglect it? If I sense yes there is a wrong thing, I understood how to neglect it in the sense. Just don't depend on others, depend on your own self. Because you will be with you forever. Till your death you will be with you. So being dependent on your own self, not to depend on even your girlfriend or the boyfriend. Love with them. It doesn't mean don't depend on them. Love them, but don't depend on them. Loving other people is like I am giving the love over there. But depending on them in the sense I am expecting more than love from other people. I am expecting being acknowledged. I am expecting to be respected. These are all the things, these are all the scenarios sometimes it has happened. If you sense these are all the things, please sense that it is a wrong thing. That is with the love. And just working for one company doesn't means you need to be there with the slave. Whatever they will say to you, you need to respect over them. Not like that. Work for the company, but don't depend on them. Being ready and being own dependent. Being independently and depend on your own self. That is the best. If they are not speaking in a sense, let them go. What is the matter over there? So being dependent on your own self and don't expect others to be independent with them. That is what. So these are all the things we have discussed in the book, The Monk Who Do Not Pray. So if you are really interested, you can go for it, which is available internationally at Amazon. Thank you, your Rajkumar Pandya.